Okay guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox the 1x18 diecast model of new Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van, and we also made a miniature diorama of a warehouse for this model. So if you want to see the making of these dioramas, you can subscribe to my other channel, Miniature Homes, or I will also provide that link in the description of this video. So if you are not already subscribed to the channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. So let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video, and also don't forget to check out my new channel Miniature Homes for these miniature dioramas. So Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.